Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Android Auto is not working. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open settings, and from here you have to search for Android Auto, and you can see here are three results. So you have to tap on second one, and from here you have to make sure that you have allowed all the permissions to this one. So after doing this, what you have to do is just simply tap on start Android Auto automatically, and then you have to check on default set by the car, and then go back, and then you have to tap on Android Auto app. So after doing this, you have to tap on permissions and make sure that you have allowed all the permissions. So I have already allowed all the permissions, and you have to tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then go back, and then force stop the app. And after that, what you have to do is just simply check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply open Play Store, and from here you have to search for Android Auto and check whether update is available or not. If the update is available, then you have to update your Android Auto. So after doing all these things, your problem 100% will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.